CRM Companion Training. Identifying the areas: auxiliary, calendar, and calculator. Navigate contacts, select all, next, previous, first, and end. How many contacts are selected, on which you are now, and total number of contacts. Access the help area. Access the setup area. Go to our Facebook and Twitter websites. Exit CRM Companion. This is the only correct way to exit the program. Add, delete, and duplicate the contact. View contacts in a list. Find contacts. Find duplicate contacts. Compare two contacts and optionally merge its fields. Open the center area to show the user-defined fields and the groups. Open the Virtual Desktop Manager. Go to the Personal Agenda and Payment Reminder. Open the Documents tab to link unlimited documents, images, PDF, Word documents, etc. to each contact and to open them with one click. Twitter ID, Facebook URL, Skype ID, and LinkedIn URL of your friends and businesses to access them easily with one click. Area to set and then send messages to smartphones. Setting up the email coordinates. There are three conditions that have to be met to send messages to smartphones. 1. You need the cellular number in the cellular field. 2. You need to select the carrier email gateway of the cellular company. For example, the email gateway of the carrier Sprint is pm.sprint.com. You have a pull-down menu in that area to find it. 3. You need to set up the email you want to use to send the emails that ultimately will end in the smartphone message box. To this end, first click the Setup button at the top. Then you need to click on the Internet button and set all the coordinates of the email you want to use. Must be a POP3 email. You are going to enter only the SMTP part of a setup, since you can't receive emails here, only send them. There is a button for testing that will let you know if you entered the right coordinates. This setting is used to send email as well as send messages to smartphones. Sending an instant message. Just click the icon to the right of the SMS gateway, enter your message up to 140 characters and click the send button. Open the quick email windows. How to send quick emails. To send quick emails directly from the program, you need to set up the coordinates of your sender email as explained before. Then click the email icon to the right of the email field and then enter the subject and message in the pop-up window and click the send button. How to search. Click the Find Contacts button and enter one or many words at the same time, from first name, last name, company, phone numbers, URLs, referrals related to, states, email, keywords, and contact ID, and click the Quick Find button. How to list your contacts. In the main screen, click View List of Selected Contacts, and you will go to the list view with the contacts selected from a previous search. Here you can sort by clicking the top of the columns. Many other options are available. just hover your mouse on each button to know its use. If you want to select all contacts, just click All at the top of the screen. To select one contact, just click on it. How to work with user-defined fields and groups. First, click the user-defined fields and one-click Groups button to open the panel with the user-defined groups and the groups. How to set up the labels of the user-defined fields. The labels can be changed globally or individually. To change a label individually, just type the label directly. To change the label globally, click on the Setup button. Then click at the group Field Labels at the top and change the labels as appropriate. Using the Virtual Desktop Manager. The Virtual Desktop Manager is an enhancement of your Windows desktop with all the features that you would like to have but currently don't. To enter the Visual Desktop Manager, click the Visual Desktop Manager button at the top of the screen. When you enter for the first time, just click the Add button to add a new record. Majority of buttons are self-explanatory, but we will explore the most important ones. Let's say that we want to set the info of a new icon for the popular service RingCentral. First, we will enter the title of the record. We can copy the title from the current icon in our desktop. Enter the title by pressing and holding the Shift key while clicking the title field. Now, click the Icon Finder button and then Internal to select a suitable icon for the record. Find a suitable icon, then do a right-click and click on Copy to copy the image into your Windows clipboard. Then click the close bar at either side of the screen to return to the previous screen with the icon saved in your Windows memory. Now shift-click inside the image field and right-click and select Paste to paste the icon in memory in the image field. Now you may want to enter some information about this file, program, directory, etc. To do that, either do a shift-click in the description field or click the Google Finder to find information about the product and copy that into the description field. You can also do a double click to open an easy screen to type. The next step is to set the path of the file, program, directory, etc. To do that, click the icon with the red arrow right to the File to Run field and find the file to run. Alternatively, go to your original icon in the Windows desktop, right-click it, select Properties, and copy the path to the file to run. Also, you may want to add a path to the website of the company or add more relevant files to this record. Do this in the Related Files field. To run a file, just double-click on the icon or click on the red Action button to the right of the File to Run field. If you want to open a directory instead of running a file or URL, simply enter the directory path in the File to Run field. You can search by groups, subgroups, navigate, and even create your own personalized groups. See red highlight rectangle. With this, the Virtual Desktop Manager will help you eliminate all those icons in your Windows desktop and find with ease your files and programs. How to link files to a contact. Link unlimited documents, images, PDF, Word documents, etc. to each contact. Click on the Documents tab and click on the green Add button. Enter a label, the title of the document, and then use the icon with the red arrow to search and find the file that you want to link. To run the file, click the Action button, the red ball. Using Twitter, Facebook, Skype, and LinkedIn. Save the Twitter ID, Facebook, Skype, and LinkedIn of your friends and businesses and access them easily clicking on the respective items. This is a great way to access the main accounts of your friends and businesses. In many ways, it's much better than following because you'll see all the information in these accounts. Entering data. You can enter all sorts of data for each contact. In addition to the common fields, name, address, phone, emails, etc., you can enter the URL, referrals related to, and keywords of your friends and businesses. Also, you can use the user-defined fields to enter data and have unlimited fields if you use the Documents tab. Entering notes. You can take unlimited notes. Just click the green Add icon and enter your note. The name of the user, as set in the Setup area under Agent Privileges, and date and time of the day will be entered. Comparing contacts. CRM Companion has an integrated compare system. First, select two contacts, probably using the Find Duplicates contact button. Then, click the Compare Contacts button to open the Compare area. Once in the Compare area, simply click the icons in the right side of the screen for the field that you want to add to the other record. Discrepancies are shown in yellow. When you've finished, click the back icon and select the option you want between Update and Delete, Update, or Cancel. Working with the agenda. To enter the personal agenda and payment reminder, click the icon at the top right of the screen. Once there, you can add tasks by clicking the Add button at the top left, and most importantly, you can set recurrent tasks by using the Recurrent Information area. The days with tasks will be marked with a red star, as indicated in the rectangle. We suggest that you hover your mouse on every icon to learn its functionality. That is the best and the easiest way to learn the multiple features available to you in the personal agenda and payment reminder. Use the personal agenda to keep track of follow-ups with friends, prospects, and clients. There are several places where you can link the From contact to the task, and then you could send an email directly from the agenda, and also you could go directly to the contact by clicking the Go button. Another important way to use the agenda is as a reminder of payments, credit cards, mortgages, auto, etc. In these cases, using the Recurrent Information area is necessary, so new tasks will be triggered automatically as you delete the previous ones. The Send and Receive system. First, to work with the Send and Receive system, you need to set up the email system as explained elsewhere. Then, to send one or more contacts to another compatible software, you will first select the contact or contacts that you want to send, and then you will click the blue up arrow. When the window pop-ups, you can select which fields you want to send, then click Continue. Then choose Current or Selected as appropriate. Then select Native. Finally, enter the email of the person you want to send the data and click Continue. To receive, click the blue down arrow. Then select File. Then select the file that you receive from another party, another compatible software. Usually that would be an attachment received in your email system. Click Open and you will be prompted to import the contact or contacts that the other party sent you. It's that simple. To get support, click the Trouble Ticket button at the center of the screen or send us an email at helpline@123watt.com.